Welcome to Mathematics Point. Today we will do NSM 1 Chapter 1 Practice Now 11. But before starting the lecture, students, don't forget to press the like, subscribe and bell icon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here with the Practice Now 11 of Resource Book New Syllabus Mathematics page 18, Chapter 1 Prime Number. The first question of Practice Now 11 is find the lowest common multiple of 24 and 90 using both methods. Now, if you watched the videos previously in which we have done the listing method and the table method, both the method we will use again for the LCM. So, we'll find the LCM of 24 and 90 with the listing method. For listing method, make the factors, take the LCM of 24, 90, make the factors from this. As 24, the last digit of 4 is even, so we will divide this with the least possible even number, that is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. Then 90, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, then 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. So now we'll write down the factors of 24. 24 having the factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. We can also write these factors in the form of index notation. Now the factors of 90s are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now we make the taking the common factor as well as uncommon factors. If you remember the last previous lectures, we are working with the HCF, and HCF is equal to only common factors. Now when we are talking about the LCM, LCM is a combination or multiplier of the common factor as well as uncommon factor. So first of all, make the common factors 2, then this 3. So we have a common factor 2 multiplied by 3. So what are the uncommon factors? Uncommon factors are those factors that didn't make the pair with each other. We have two 2's in 24 factors, but 3 and 5, there's no combination of these two in that factors. So we have the uncommon factors. What are left behind? These 2, these, then 3 and 5. So I write down all the common factors and uncommon factor. Uncommon factors are all the factors or all the terms that is left behind in that. We have 2 2's in the first factors and 3 and 5 in the second factor. So I write down this the common factor and common factor. So what is the product of the common factor? 2 3's are 6, and uncommon factor 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12, and 12 5's are 60. So LCM is a combination, is a factor of common factor multiplied by uncommon factor. So we have common factor 6 multiplied by uncommon factor 60. So multiply, so 0 6 6 is 36. We have the LCM 360. Okay, there are multiple methods to solve one questions. Now I just solve, in this case I just write down the factors separately. Now in the next I will write the factor in the form of index notation, tell you how you can solve from that. So can I write the factors of 24 again in the form of index notation? You have, there are multiple approaches to solve one question. You can do any approach, easy approach. Okay, how many 2's we have? 1 2 3. So can I write 2 power 3? Because this 3 represent there are 3 2's that are going to be multiplied with each other, and 1 3. Then write down the factors of 92. Then we have 1 2. There are 2 3's, so 3 power 2 and 1 5. So for LCM we always take the power that is the highest power. If you remember the process of HCF, in HCF we always prefer the least power because that least power is common in both the terms. But LCM means that you will take the smallest multiple of the term. So this is a power 2 and this is a power 3. So we'll take the highest power of 2. There is nothing power, that means there is a power of 1 and we have the power of 3. So we'll take the largest power, that is the 3, because that means these 3 include common, because common power is 1 and as well as uncommon is 2. So we will take 3. As well as this is a power of 1 and 2, we will take the highest power, that is 2 and as well as 5. So when we multiply all these, 2 power 3 means that 2 is going to be multiplied 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And 3 power 2 means that 2 times of 3 as well as 5. So when we multiply all these terms, we get the answer 360. So what is need to do? You just grasp the concept and solve the question. Keep one thing in mind: when we are working with the LCM, we always take the term with the greatest power. When we are working with the HCF, suppose this is a question, we have the same factors and this is a question of HCF. So what is need to do? In that case, I will take the smallest power. In HCF, I will take 2 power 1, smallest power. But when we are working with the LCM, so we will take the greatest power. So it is all with the listing method. Now move towards the table method. So in table method, we divide the terms. How many terms? Rather 2, 3, all the terms together. Okay, divide the table with the common with the table that is with one table that is come in both the terms. So we will divide with the 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and when carry 2 5s are 10. Again it is divisible on 3. 3 4s are 12, and 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now 4 and 15 does not come in the same common table. There's nothing any table in which 4 and 15 also come on the same table. So that's mean it is stop in that these 2 and 3 are the common factors. That mean 24 और 90. 24 90 दोनों आपके पास 2 के टेबल में भी डिवाइड होते हैं. Then we have 12 और 24, so ये 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. Now 4 and 15 ये दोनों एक टेबल में नहीं आ रहे, एक डिवाइड नहीं हो रहे. तो ये जो आपके पास है, ये आपके पास कॉमन फैक्टर आ गया. अगेन जब मैं एलसीएम की बात करूंगी तो एलसीएम हमारे पास कम्बिनेशन होता है कॉमन फैक्टर एज वेल एज अनकॉमन फैक्टर. तो कॉमन फैक्टर आपके पास कौन से आ गए? 2 और 3, ये आपके पास कॉमन फैक्टर है. एंड अनकॉमन फैक्टर, हाउ मेनी अनकॉमन फैक्टर्स वी हैव? 4 and 15. Now do the multiplication. 2 3s are 6, 26. So again we have 360 is the answer. So in the case of SCF, we just take the common factors. We just take these factors that is on this position. But when we are working with the SCF, the factors that are left behind, we just take that factors too. Now we will do the question 2 of the practice now 11. The numbers 120, 126 written as the product of their prime factors are this. Okay, they already make us the factor, convert 120 in the form of factor. Hence, find the smallest whole number that is divisible by both 120 and 126. They are talking about the smallest whole number, so that means we will need to find the LCM. So already they make us they divide the term in the form of factors. Give us the factor definitely. We just by applying any method, definitely we apply listing method here to just get out the answer, which is the smallest whole number that give the answer that will be divisible on both the terms 120 and 126. So they already given us the factors of 120 and 126. We just need to find out the LCM. Okay, as I just taught you that in what this need to do, we just take the greatest power. We have 2 and 126 factors. There it is a power of 1, but in 120 we have the power of 2. What is the highest power? Definitely the highest power is 2 power 3. We will take that. Then 3 power 1 and 3 power 2 will take the largest value, 3 power 2 and 5 and 7. So we just multiply this. So by multiplying this, we will get the answer 2520. Okay, if the students want to do questions separately, don't need to write, they don't want to write down in the index form. So what is need to do, just write 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Don't need to write it as 2 multiplied 3 because it is wrong concept. So you will just make separate the powers, make the pairs, and then solve the, take the common as well as uncommon factor. But if you want to solve the question quickly, so what is need to do, whenever you are working with the LCM, just take the highest power, because this 2 is common in both, because these two also have the power of 1. And what is uncommon, we have left behind the power 2 power 2, but that 2 power 2 is not in this category. So when we take the common as well as uncommon factor, so highest power is most probably the suitable, because this highest power having the factors common as well as uncommon. So now move towards the third question of practice now 11. Okay, the third question of practice now 11 is find the smallest value of n such that the LCM of n and 6 is 24. When we take the LCM of n and 6, the LCM will be, the answer will be 24. So one thing more, smallest value means that they are divided as LCM. So let's start the question. So LCM of n and 6 is 24. So it is not possible to take the LCM of variable. Okay? So in that case, that means they need to find the value of n, that what will be the value of n, that when we take the LCM of n and 6, so answer will be 24. In that case, we just find the LCM of 6, factor of 6. 6 has the factors 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3 and 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So just write down the factors of 6 having the factor 2 multiplied by 3, and 24 having the factors 2 power 1 2 3. How many 3s we have? 2, we have 3. 1 2 3. So 2 power 3 multiplied by 3. As it is given in the question, smallest value of n. When we are talking about the smallest value of n, that means n is the term that is going to be variation, a term that is going to be changed. So that means 3 is discarded from this point. 3 is not the n, because 3 in both the terms 3 have the power 1. 3 is same. So we will ignore the 3. Now we have the 2's. n will be from 2. And not will be from 3, because when they are talking about the smallest value, that's there is a term that is going to be in variation. एक ऐसी term है जो कि change हो रही है, तो n की 3 की तो हमारे पास 1 वैल्यू है, ये तो हमारे पास constant है, सो हम इसको सेम है, हम इसको इग्नोर करेंगे. नाउ 2 में अब हमने 2 से 2 power 1 को सिलेक्ट करना है, 2 power 3 को सिलेक्ट करना है, फ्रॉम which power 2 we will select it. So in that case, keep in one thing in mind, smallest value. Whenever we are working with the LCM, we always take the term with the greatest power. So we will select 2 power 3 and 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what is the value of n? N is 8. Again, I repeated why we don't select the 3, because 3 in both the terms, the factor of 3 having the same power. So it will be not n, because n is that thing that is going to be in variation. So in that we will decide, okay, which value we will take. So 3 is discarded in that case. Now we have the 2 power 1 and 2 power 3. So whenever we are working with the LCM means that we will take the greatest value, greatest power, a term with the greatest index power. So we'll take the 2 power 3. If it will be the case of HCF that we have done in the earlier lectures, and that is the first portion of our exercise, in that case we just take the term with the least power, that is the power 1. But whenever you are working with the LCM, you will take the greatest power. So it is all about the practice now 11. And I hope so that you will understand that concept. If you have confused about the LCM and SCF, so kindly watch the videos in which I have described what is the LCM and SCF and detail what is the table and the listing method. Thank you.